Hello everyone, welcome back to Bento English. Imagine you just arrived at a hotel in New York or London. What do you say first? Don't worry, today I'll teach you some simple phrases for checking in. まずはフロントに来てやりましょう。チェックインをお願いします。IBU リチインピューリズ。This is polite and natural. It's better than just saying check-in. 次に、予約しているときはこう言います。予約しています。名前は00です。I have a reservation. My name is Tanaka. You can add your name clearly, for example. I have a reservation. My name is Tanaka. もし荷物を預けたいなら、チェックイン前に荷物を預けてもいいですか？ Can I leave my luggage before check-in? Very useful if you arrive early and want to explore the city. 追後に、カードキーを受け取ったら所要で。ありがとうございます。Thank you very much. A big smile makes the staff happy too. So, next time you travel, remember these phrases, and your hotel check-in will be smooth and easy. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to Bento English for more fun and useful English every week. See you next time.